Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn something about homophones. Homophones. Phones is related to sound. And when we talk about homo means same. So the same sound. There are certain words which sounds same but have a different meaning. So those are termed as homophones. Here on the screen you can see three words, actually six words, but they have the different meaning but they sound the same. RIGHT right and WRITE right. They both are spelled right but their meaning is different. Let us see the other example. SEEC and SEAC. See their pronunciation? Both are C but their meaning is different. HAIR hair and HARE hair. They sound same but their meaning is different. Now why I have taken this topic this time? Yesterday we had come across the lesson A Tale of Two Birds and it had a word TALE tail. Now what does this tail means? Does it mean the tail of a dog TAIL or TALE? TALE tail is the story and TAIL tail is the body part of any animal. Okay, so this is the major difference between tail and they sound same but have a different meaning. Okay, so let's define it. What is a homophone? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. A homophone may also differ in spelling. उसका spelling भी कभी कभी अलग होता है. The two words may be spelled the same as in ROSE rose and ROSE rose. See, they have the same spelling or sometimes they may be different as RAIN rain, REIGN rain and REIN rain. Now these all three are rain but their meaning is different. Okay, let us see what this deer says. It says that words that sound alike but are spelled differently are known as homophones. We took the example of TALE and TAIL. Let us see it in the form of a sentence. I love the fairy tale Cinderella. So here TALE tale means story. The fox has a furry tail or a fluffy tail or bushy tail. There can be any adjective, no? We can add any adjective. So I have told three words to you. Okay, so it has got a bushy tail. So this is all about TALE and TAIL. Now here tail, TALE tail is a noun and it is a fictitious. You have learned about fiction and non-fiction. So fictitious is something imaginary. Okay, or true narrative of story. It can be fiction or it can be true narration of a story, especially one that is imaginatively recounted. A story, short story or a narrative. You have heard about the word narration many times. So narrative is something that is narrated. Okay, let's take one example again. Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves is one of the most popular Arabian tales. Now let us take example of TAIL. Here TAIL tail is also a noun. So the tail is the hindmost part. Now hindmost means you have learned about forelimbs and hind limbs. So one which is in the front is known as fore, F-O-R-E, not F-O-U-R. So it is fore and backside. What is backside is known as hind. So the tail is the hindmost part of an animal, especially when prolonged beyond the rest of the body. Animal tail is a part of its body that extends from its posterior. Posterior means backside part. Now see, every time I'll give you a new vocabulary. You are now in 6th standard and you must know new words. Just let us see one example. The dog wagged its tail excitedly. To wag means to move to and fro. So that is called wagging. WAGGING. So the dog wagged its tail excitedly. वो जब अपने ओनर को देखता है, when it becomes very happy, tries to wag its tail. Okay, homophones, they occur in English because there are multiple ways to spell the same sound. एक ही साउंड को अलग अलग तरह से स्पेल किया जाता है. Now there are sounds of N that can be spelled with the letter or the letter combination KN. So that results in homophones. For example, night, NIGHT, night. And the other example is KNIGHT. We say it as a silent letter. So both are sounded as night, but they have a different meaning. There are other rules, there are other examples also, but we'll not go too much in detail for it. I just gave one example. Okay, there are other types of words also, and they are termed as homographs. Now what are homographs? Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meaning and may have different pronunciation. So they have different meaning, they spell the same. उसका स्पेलिंग जो होता है जब हम उसको बोलते हैं तो उसका वो सेम होता है, लेकिन उसका मीनिंग अलग होता है. एंड दे मे बी प्रोनाउंस्ड डिफरेंटली. जब हम उसको बोलते हैं तो वो अलग अलग तरीके से प्रोनाउंस होता है. ओके, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. DOES, डज. जब हम डज को यूज़ करते हैं, ही डज लाइक टू रन. यू हैव लर्न अबाउट एम्फेथेटिक प्रोनाउंस. ओके, डोज आर फीमेल डियर. नाउ हियर it is the same spelling but different pronunciation. We don't say does the female deer, we say does are female deer. So it is the term given to the female deer. Okay, wind and wind, to wind up ना, हम जल्दी कहते हैं ना wind up, चलो जल्दी जल्दी wind up करो. And wind that is the blowing of air. So let us see it in the form of sentence. I can feel the wind in my hair. तो जब हवा चलती है तो आप कहते हो कि I can feel the wind in my hair. And the second example is wind up the string before it gets tangled. Now here the spelling is same but the pronunciation is different and the meaning is also different. So such kind of words are known as homographs. The third kind of words are termed as homonyms. Now what are homonyms? Homonyms are words that are pronounced the same, spelled the same but have different meanings. Now sometimes we get confused between homophones, homographs and homonyms. But no need to get confused. You don't need to remember the definitions of all these three. Just need to know the examples and you must know the meaning. And you must have knowledge about certain words which are used in different contexts. They may be used as noun, they may be used as adjectives, they may be used in the sentences in different forms. So you just have to identify them and you must know something about it. Okay, so let us speak it again. What are homonyms? Homonyms are words that are pronounced the same, spelled the same but have different meanings. Okay, let us see some examples. BEAR, beer, and BEAR, beer. Now here we saw a bear in the woods. Sometimes we also spell it as bear. Some of them spell it as beer, some of them spell it as bear. Okay, so we saw a bear in the woods. The cold was more than he could bear. तो बेयर करना यहाँ इसका मतलब है सहन करना. और वो ऊपर वाला bear है, that is about the animal bear. Okay, left left and left left. They left the coin on the beach. To left means to leave. Turn left when you get to the lemonade stand. Now here left means the direction. We are talking about the direction. So such words which have the same spelling, same pronunciation but different meanings are termed as homonyms. Okay, let us see some more examples. Address. 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 These address is used in two meanings. One is to speak to. The speaker addressed to the audience. And address may be a location. When we are talking about any location, then we tell it as address. Okay, air. Air can be different gases, or you can talk about oxygen. And air is a lilting tune. The music was in the air. So music was in the air means you are talking about a tune. Okay, arm, ARM, arm. It can be a body part or it can be division of a company. हम जिसको कहते हैं कि वो उसका part है. So that is arm. Band, BAND, band. Band is a musical group or it can be a ring that is tied over something. BARK, bark. When we talk about bark, it can be the tree's outer layer. जो brown color का thick layer होता है on the tree, that is termed as bark. And the other meaning of bark is the sound that a dog makes. The dog barks. So same word, same spelling, same pronunciation but different meaning. BAT, bat. Bat can be an implement used to hit a ball. जो हम bat ball use करते हैं वो bat. And other bat is a nocturnal flying mammal, जिसको हम गुजराती में कहते हैं चामाचीडियो. So that bat is an animal, or we can tell it is a flying mammal. Okay, hope you have understood the terms homophones, homonyms and homographs. In your homework, I am giving you a worksheet. So you have to just finish that worksheet, and I will be sending you some more examples of homophones, homographs and homonyms. So just go through it and learn it in detail. Hope you have understood these terms, and next time when you see certain words like this, you will try to understand its meaning also, and you will come to know that there are certain words which are spelled same, pronounced same, but their meaning is different. If you have any doubt related to this, you may ask me anytime. Have a nice day. Thank you.